Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing some of the very important questions why software professionals jobs are insecure most of the time. There are various reasons for it. So I'll be discussing in detail in this video what are the various reasons for it. So we'll go by one reason. The first reason why software professionals jobs are insecure is because of the outsourcing. The high cost jobs, let's say especially the countries like Europe, America, USA, UK, and all those places are most of a high cost countries where they wanted to get the work done. Usually what they do is they will send to the remote place that where they can get the work done with a lesser cost that they will do by outsourcing. So because of that outsourcing, what happens, the high cost jobs will lose or job losses may happen. Because of that, layoffs will happen or there will be a reduced job opportunities in the high cost countries. So because of that, this could be the one of the reason or major reason as well for software professional jobs insecurity, that is outsourcing. And the second reason is with the given artificial intelligence is on the top notch these days, and even the automation technologies as well evolved over the period, and they are able to reduce most of the manual work by using this automation and AI these days. It may take some of the routine jobs, some of the monotonous jobs by bringing this automation as well as artificial intelligence. And the third reason is in software, majority of the places works get done using the project based work. They will assign particular project as an outsourcing and they will ask us to complete the work. Based on that, companies will hire the software professionals as a contractors or as a freelancers to complete that work which is they got as a contract. After that job, most probably these contractors, freelancers, they will lose their jobs as well. And the next reason would be with the given kind of technological advancement which are happening these days, which is very rapid these years. The technologies are evolving, new technologies are coming, new languages are coming, new frameworks are coming, and which are going in a very advanced phase. And unless software professionals are not keen in learning or not continuously updating their skills, then they become irrelevant in the field of software. And next reason would be market competition as well. Especially in software professionals, the competition is very high. It will be a neck-to-neck competition will be there, and they wanted the best of the world talent in order to work in their companies, in their projects. Because of that, software professionals feels they are insecure in their jobs. And the last and not the least one is economic downturn. The economic downturn normally happens 2 years or 5 years once. Again, it's based on the country to country. When there is a recession is happening, one country goes economically weaker, then that time most of the companies which are working in that country, they will lay off the people because of demand is very less in those countries. Because of that, even this could lead to job insecurities for software professionals. These are some of the reasons why software professional jobs becomes insecure.